Working of EDM. Let us see the electrical discharge machine process. Tool, workpiece, dielectric fluid. In EDM, the workpiece and tool are submerged in a dielectric fluid and a spark gap of 0.025 to 0.075 mm is maintained between the tool and workpiece. By power supply, voltage across the spark gap becomes sufficiently large and causes the dielectric fluid to ionize and breaks down to produce electric sparks between tool and workpiece. This spark melts the work surface and vaporizes the materials. This process is repeated till the required shape is obtained.